Well, hello and welcome back to another video. I've been out running errands this morning, and I thought what I would do, is film a little bit of an intro here into a short video. Going to be midweek video again, another Leica Summer Series video. Yesterday, my wife and I made a trip to Buffalo Trace. All right, pick up some bourbon. And unfortunately, I went way over budget with how much I bought and what I got, but regardless, something in my eye, sorry about that. All right, regardless, it was a great opportunity. So if you don't know, I live in northern Kentucky, and to get to Buffalo Trace in Frankfort takes about an hour from my house, and so we try to go when we can, to pick up a bottle here or there. Yesterday I learned, and I was checking in and getting my wrist bracelet, that I hadn't been there all year, which it's June, and I haven't been there all year. That's a surprise. All right, but anyway, checked in, went in, got some bourbon. While I was there, I used the Leica Q, just walking around, and took some images. All right, and so what I'm going to do here in this video is I'm going to take and put those images in for you to see. Now understand that while I was there, I couldn't vlog, I couldn't video anything, so all I did was walk around and just take some images. But it's such a beautiful historic place, I thought it'd be worth sharing. So all right, so I'm going to throw the images in here, take a look at them, all right, and enjoy. Buffalo Trace is the oldest continuously operating distillery in the United States. At least that's my understanding. Right? It's been in operation since the late 1700s, early 1800s. There are many buildings on the grounds that are, certainly, early to mid 1800s are very easy to find. A lot of history, a lot of stories that from years and years and years of making bourbon. All right, during the Prohibition era, they made medicine, all right, and a few other things to keep the distillery running, but it's never technically ever ceased operation. All right, so now the name Buffalo Trace, all right, comes from a trace is a path, or a trail. All right, and apparently back in the day, all right, in the early days of our nation, all right, the buffalo would follow a trail that crossed the Kentucky River, basically right there where Buffalo Trace is. All right, they would follow that trail, cross the river, and continue migrating to wherever they were going. And that's how the name Buffalo Trace was developed. All right, now granted, that didn't come into play until I think it was the 1990s, all right, when the name became Buffalo Trace. But it's certainly an incredibly popular distillery around the world, well known. I mean, I have been all over Europe, and I can tell you that I found Buffalo Trace products pretty much every country I've been to. All right, so there's the images from Buffalo Trace. All right, hopefully you enjoyed those. Granted, they're a lot different than what I normally do. All right, the Leica Q, good camera for that type of application. All right, it's small, it's easy to work with. You can some of those images from an inside standpoint, like on the bottles, and like a couple other areas where I was taking images inside the gift shop, or the store as they call it. All right, those were at 4,000 ISO. I mean, the Leica Q performs well, all right, in those circumstances. So it's a good camera. At this point, about the only negative I'm going to say that I've come across in using the Leica Q for this series, and really it would be for anything, is it's an older camera. All right, so the EV, on the screen on the back, aren't necessarily as bright is some of the newer technologies. So when you're in a real bright situation, if you're trying to use the back of the screen, it's kind of hard. And even the EV itself can become a little bit difficult. But beyond that, perfect application, all right, for the Leica Q. So, you know, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. You like the images? You like the video? Did you know, would you like to see more like that? Would you like me to go out and maybe, you know, do this at one of the other, you know, bourbon distilleries? If so, leave some names, something you might be interested in. If you haven't been to it, you'd like to see. I mean, there are 100 or so within an hour or two of my house. So it's definitely a great opportunity to get out. They all have a lot of history. They all have a lot of great places to photograph. So, you know, certainly wouldn't mind doing that. But leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the images. Not only that, but just the Leica Q Summer Series. You know, so again, don't want to ramble. This is a short midweek video. Just want to say thanks for coming along. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, until we see you again, stay safe.